Hey, hey, my lovelies. You are tuned in to Lovely Angel Lady. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel today. Today's video is on Sensational's Butta Unit 2, baby. Yes, honey. I cannot wait to get into this, y'all. Please do go ahead and subscribe if you would like to officially join the fam and become one of my lovelies. Also, look down below in the description box so that you can join Lovely's Angels. That's my new group. So, yes, y'all, let's get into this. What's up, my loves? It's your girl, L to the A to the L. I am just showing y'all the packaging that Miss Butta Unit 2 comes in. Okay, sensational. I see what y'all doing here. I see. Not bad, not bad. So I have this girl in a T4 peach, okay? Y'all don't think I didn't flipped my wig. You get it? Don't think I flipped my wig because your girl actually has been thinking about trying orange colored hair for a while because I can't remember who it was, but one of my followers on Instagram suggested that I go orange, and I was like, so I went for it. But this is what this chica looks like straight out of her package. Nice and long. You see, your girl is only 4'11". I gotta stand up just so y'all can see, because sister girl is long. That is her part, and you can kind of see this lace. It's supposed to be virtually undetectable HD lace. I don't know how I'm feeling about it just yet, y'all. It's kind of light. So anyway, these are her two combs near the temples, and that's her center part. And you can see she has ear-to-ear lace as well, and she has a little tag in the back, Cloud 9. Okay, these are her adjustable straps so that she stays nice and secure, and her cap is definitely stretchy. So we cut the lace off, went ahead and made that happen already. Just showing y'all the lace is very, very soft and stretchy. Okay, very like flexible. Definitely not the hard itchy lace for sure. But I'm just sweeping around the wig at the front of the hairline. That way I don't get any shedding from where I cut the lace. But we're getting this sis on. We're gonna see what she is all about, okay? It is time to make it do what it do. And I'm going to just slide the back comb underneath my wig grip because I am wearing a wig grip, okay? Not too bad, but I can tell she's gonna make me work. You can kind of see at the front near the hairline. I could go back and take her off and tighten the adjustable straps in the back because that lace is very, very, very soft. And so that's not going to be the kind that just lays flat, to your head unless you tighten it a little bit. And you also don't want to rip it. So I'm going to use this got to be, okay? We got to tack her down at least a little bit, okay? I'm not trying to sleep in her or nothing, but I got to have security, okay? Your girl needs security in my life. So I'm basically just going to put this all around the hairline. And then I'm going to use the rat tail comb, the end of it, and press just to make sure it dries in place. And near the ear tab area, I just kind of left that a little bit because I didn't plan on, having her on for like 8 or 10 hours, not like a full day. Part of the day is already gone. So I just figured I want you guys to see, what she looks like if she's tacked down. And the goal is to make these wigs look more like they're your own. Yes, I know the hair is orange. Yes, this chica knows. But, you still want the hairline and everything to look as natural as you can get it. You don't want to just throw your wigs on and just mob out, because that ain't hot. Not lit at all. So I'm taking this Gotta Be freeze spray and I'm just going through there just in the front and pressing down, like I said, just to make sure that holds, because the lace is very soft. And so it's not like when you have that hard lace and you can just spray the freeze spray and it stays down. Unless I probably would have used my blow dryer, I probably could have gotten it to secure like that. But I just figured I'd use a little bit of gel and then go in with the freeze spray just in the front and, kind of like near the temples, but not all the way around. So yeah, that's the goal. So she's supposed to have wider parting. Like I said, she does have ear to ear lace. Her part, as you can see, is right down the middle. She is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And she is made of 100% premium fiber, y'all. And I don't really know like what to think of her. Not at this point just yet. So keep on watching. We're going to see what there is to think. So being that I did use those products, I want to make sure we tie it down just for a little bit. I'm not like going to try to go, walk around the house and then come back. Like I normally would tie it and leave it on there for a while. But I just want to make sure that it stays. So tying it down helps me be able to continue styling. So I can brush and not worry about the front lifting because it's not fully dry. So if that makes sense. But she is shedding. Ooh. And I wanted y'all to see for yourselves. You can see how long this is. Y'all, like I said, I'm not even 5 feet tall. I'm only 4'11". You want to definitely brush starting from the bottom and work your way up, because you will need to do some detangling, okay? She does tangle. She's cute, but I ain't feeling all of that. Y'all see all that? Look at all that hair just all tangled in my little brush. I'm trying to be careful so I don't break my brush, but let's unwrap this. Y'all, I did not want to style the baby hair, so y'all are just gonna see me kind of fix this part a little bit up here in the front, and we gonna keep it moving. That's what we gonna do. Just kind of fixing that part. And she kind of, if you don't fix it, she kind of looks like she's to the side. But to me, her not being perfectly straight is a little okay because it looks more natural, I guess. But I am using this Bonner Brothers styling foam. It is like a setting lotion, but it's a foam. And I'm just trying to get the hairs to lay down, and especially since I'm going to be leaving the baby hairs out and blending. Y'all, this bedhead hair stick is basically just a wax stick, but when I tell you, it helps like the little hairs like just you can tame them, get all the hair under control. And you see how I'm able to just like use the comb, combing over my hand, and boom, it's all well polished and put together. Just like that, okay? In terms of cap size, she is pretty roomy, and so my big head cuties, I think y'all will be a-okay. You know my golden rule is just flatten your hair, cornrow it, some kind of way, tack it down, sis, tack it down, and you got it. Now we are going to pop some of this Kiss Cream to Powder foundation in the part, because that HD undetectable HD lace is, like I said, a little light. You can spray underneath the cap and use your Eben spray, or whatever you like to use. You could also put makeup underneath before you apply the wig. You can put it under the cap and apply it to the part that way as well. But I think when I do this, especially with it being a cream to powder, it just really defines the part and makes it stand out. So that's what I prefer. But I'm just taking that wax stick again, just to kind of tidy it up a bit. If you ain't got a wax stick, I'm gonna have the link down below for you, but sis, you are missing out. But yeah, y'all, hey girl, hey, bam. That is what your girl is looking like on the model, and then on your girl, L to the A to the L. Like I said, I'm 4'11". She is nice and long, super long. She is past the boobage. Yes. Y'all, I feel like I need a drink after styling her, but look at the colors. She comes in lots of gorgeous colors. Okay, and again, I have the T4 peach, so she has the dark roots. But y'all, I would never think that literally orange hair would look good on me, but I really like it. Okay, I really like it. The part looks really natural. It's a long, good part. I'm trying to show y'all just how long, I feel like Rapunzel with orange hair. Okay, she is super long but sexy. There's something about long hair that's just like ba boom. You know what I'm saying? So this is what you get in terms of volume. I can bunch it all up in my little 2 fingers right there, just like that. So she looks a lot fuller than what she is, but she's not a lot of hair. If you like fullness, if you gotta have volume, she is a yaki texture, so it works for her. The texture helps because, she's not super thin and silky, so it makes it look fuller than what she is. Definitely not heavy, but she does tangle, sis, okay? But I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch you next time, loves. Bye-bye. Enjoy the pics. I'll see you around on social media. Love y'all.